Okay guys, I figured out how to use the lights with the Flysky Noble NB4 Plus and my Flysky INR4 GYB receiver. So let me show you. Right turn, you can see the indicator. Left turn, you can see the indicator. Also figured out how to flash the lights. There you go, a couple of flashes, and also how to switch off the indicators. So now I'm steering either side. For those of you that don't like using indicators, you can switch them off. We can also cycle through the different headlight modes. That's off. This is low beam, the second mode, and this is full beam. So pretty cool, very happy with this. Let me show you the rear lights. Okay, so for the rear lights, reverse light, let me just hold it. You can see the exhaust light there as well. And let me switch the indicators back on so you can see how they work from the rear. Okay, I've enabled them again, so right turn and left turn. So I'm really happy with how this has worked out and the fact I got it working. Let me show you how to do it yourselves on a Flysky NB4 Plus. Okay, when you're setting up your receiver, you need to put your servo wire obviously in the first slot, which is NPD1, and your ESC wire in NPC2, which is the second slot. And when you're putting in your light cable, you want to put it into NPB3, so the third slot. Next thing to do is go to RCReset, then go to RX interface protocol, this one. Then when you get to this screen, what you'd want to do is set NPB to PPM, as I've done it here. So if you click into this, you can see I've set it to PPM. After that step, what you have to then do, which is where I was getting a little bit stuck and a bit confused, is this SW1R button, which is the one I chose to control the lights. I've assigned that to the lights, and the way to do that is you assign a function to it. Now, where I was getting confused is that I was selecting channel 3, and that wasn't working. When I selected channel 4, I've just renamed that lights for my own reference. Then I could control the lights with that particular button, and I'm not sure why it's channel 4, and there must be a reason for that, even though we didn't plug the lights into channel 4. I'm sure someone else can tell me the reason for that, but that's what works for me. What you also want to do is you want to switch the mode to turn. Once you've done all of that, you should have working lights, but I was suffering a bit of a problem because what I was noticing is that my indicator light was only coming on in one direction, and the reason for that is I had really limited my endpoints on the steering. So if you find that one of your indicators works and the other one doesn't, then play around with your endpoints on your steering. If you expand the endpoint, then you should probably find that the indicators both start working. Very last thing to mention, if you find that your indicators are reversed, what you need to do is press this tiny little button where the light controller is, and just press it once and it will reverse the indicator lights. Okay, so if you do all of those steps and follow those instructions, then your lights will be up and running in no time and you won't spend hours trying to figure this out. So I hope that was really useful for you guys and you get your lights working with the Flysky Noble NB4 Plus. And if you found this useful, I'd really appreciate a sub and a like and your comments on the video.